And salutations, everyone. I hope everyone is having a very good holiday, a very good Christmas, Kwanzaa, Hanukkah. If not, hopefully this video will cheer you up. So this video, we're referring to a device called the Grandstream GXV3240, which is a very good very good hard phone that we actually was able to pick up. What makes this phone different from most phones that we've reviewed so far is that it is running Android 4.2.2. So it is essentially a cell phone in a plastic body with a headset and a few other features. Some of the features that I think you would enjoy, at least what makes me very excited about the phone, is that it has features like Skype, because it has a video camera. You can also take pictures of it. It also has integration with things like Microsoft Link, WebDAV for calendar, email for calendar, or emails from Google. You can probably sync up a few more Yahoo or AOL email addresses to the phone, as well as being a dedicated IP phone. So you can be able to sync this up with your personal server or any other SIP trunking carrier that takes these type of calls and traffic. You can actually use Skype, and since it is an Android device, you can actually install third-party SIP clients, which of course you wouldn't need to, but if you want to play around with the phone or just kind of explore how deep of an Android phone this device is, you can actually install things like CSIP Simple and Bria. And so far out of our testing, it kind of worked. We were just seeing, does it actually work or not, but it actually do. So a few more features that we ran into is that it has a 4.3-inch screen. It's also a color display, which is the ideal size. It also has a USB slot, a SD slot, and also a mini HDMI. So was that kind of it kind of sparked my interest on this particular device, is that it tells me that you can actually sync up different music, or maybe a generic file transfer, where if you have music on an SD card, you want to transfer music to the device, you can. It also has Bluetooth 4.1, so you can actually sync your phone or any other Bluetooth compatible device. You can transfer data. You can also transfer internet. So let's say you don't have the wireless information or any type of Ethernet cable, you can actually use Bluetooth from, let's say, a cell phone or any other wireless device. That being said, it actually have 802.3 and 802.11, which is Ethernet, gigabit Ethernet, if you will, and wireless, ABGN and AC. So you don't need any wires. Only thing you would need is to plug the phone to the wall. Once it registers, you make calls. It makes a very stylish. It's a very stylish point here, because if you're in an office where you don't like wires, you think wires are clutter, you don't like clutter in general. Let's say you only have maybe a MacBook with Bluetooth keyboard, Bluetooth headphones, Bluetooth speakers. It's a very clean display. You can actually add this phone to the whole collection of neatness that you have at your desk. So you don't need any wires. I find that very awesome. And on top of that, you can do conferencing. You can do 6 lines. You can register 6 different accounts. So if you're inside an office and you're trying to get into a conference setup, you can actually turn on the video camera, have a conference. You can actually send the video, send the information to an HDMI or a HDMI compatible device, a TV, if you will, so you can see a bigger screen. Not only that, it has Pandora, and these apps are actually from the Grandstream store, so it's working. So you can actually be at your desk in a nice environment, and then you can just listen to music within your 4 walls or within your office. I find that quite cool. So not only that you do not need the PC for anything like that, you can actually use your phone. It has a headset connectivity. You can actually plug in headphones on the side, or you use a Bluetooth device. Once again, this is a very good stylish phone, and it works out of the box. It works with most SIP providers. It works with the built-in SIP provider. You can configure this online, and you have all these features like Skype, Pandora, or any other video conferencing. On top of that, you roughly have a full-fledged Android device. So picture your phone, once again, picture your phone inside an actual case. You can make phone calls from it. I find it very interesting, and I do recommend this phone because all the features that I've mentioned, we've tested it. It works just fine. I enjoy it, and for the price, it is so awesome. You can actually go on Amazon and get this for about 150 bucks. Yes, 150 bucks. Not $200 or $300 for any other device. That's very cool. That's a good price point for this type of phone with all of these features. So I recommend you guys check this phone out. Be sure to check out our other videos. We did an unboxing of this phone earlier, so be sure to check that out. If you have any questions, link is in the description. Give us a call, and I will see you guys on the next video.